So I want to talk spackle real quick. These are some of the holes left from the wall anchors I showed you. They do leave big holes, but it's worth it when things aren't falling off your wall. So I'm going to show you what I use. I've already done some holes over there, so I have messy stuff. This is what I like to use rather than your spackle that you get in the little plastic containers, the dry deck and such. I like this. It's thicker. It's more like drywall mud, actually. It doesn't crumble. It doesn't dry too fast. If you overfill, it can bubble or come out from the wall, but I'll show you an easy trick to that. So I use this patch. This is the tool. I can't even tell you what this is called. This one's a Blue Hawk, which is a Lowe's brand. But look at the handy things. If you got a stuck hex nut or something like that, stick it on, twist it off. Not sure what this one's for. That could even be for cleaning out your rollers. There's the blade that I use at the end for putting my spackle on. I don't use it for taking it off. I'll show you the trick to that. Look, if you need to open your beer bottles, or maybe your paint cans, whichever. But anyway, so I do that. I put a big goop on, and then, oh wait, I have to show you one thing first. This one up here, when I pulled out the thing, let me just clean this off. When I pulled out the anchor, it's like peeling off. So what you do, you gotta get that smooth. So literally, just clean it up like that. That one's good. That one's good. Here's this one. And that way, it doesn't matter if you mark up your wall, you're gonna paint it. But that way it's just smooth and your spackle isn't gonna leave like rough edges or whatnot. And I just put a big goop on the floor. This is the other trick that I learned from a drywall guy that was working at my mom's house. Instead of using the little, even the 4-inch blades, they're not big enough. You don't need this. This is, I think, an 8-inch blade. We use this when we mudded the basement and stuff, and I'll use it when we mud the basement at the lake or drywall it. You could probably get away with a 6-inch. It's just what I have. I like it, but I'll show you. This is what the drywaller showed me. So you put on your mud with a blade. I'm going to spread this around because I have more than I need. All right, this is a good one. Can you see that? All right, that one went in mud. So I scrape it with this, pushing it into the hole, but I don't finish it with this because it's leaving all sorts of little lines. You finish it with the big blade, and then it's smooth. You don't have to sand that, because that's the biggest pain of spackling, is having to sand the mess you've created. I need more there. So I'm just filling the holes, pushing it in, and you see it's going on the wrong side. I just clean up my blade, scoop it back up. It's pretty workable. That's why I like this. It doesn't dry immediately and get crumbly on your wall. You see that one? Yeah, I'm gonna get out of your way. All right, so then just go down. And that is smooth. That is, you know, now I'm gonna muck it up now because it's still wet. You do not have to sand that before you paint, which is really nice. Now, the trick, when you've spackled, you need to prime these spots, because if you don't prime them with paint before you start painting, it's going to be uneven because it absorbs quicker than the painted wall does. So either prime the whole wall, or, which I probably should in my case since I have like 12,000 holes, or just prime each spot that you've spackled. It just saves. Anyway, sorry, I got distracted by notifications coming down. I am on my way out the door, but hopefully I'll have something new to show you soon. Maybe it's a good thing that my toilet flooded the house. It is. It actually is. It's a really good thing because I get new flooring and a new remodel. Anyway, hope you're having a good day. See you soon.